Hi. I set myself the challenge under the Corona lockdown to make a coin knife, but to only use the things I would have in my house. So I started looking at many of the duplicate square coins I had, and here I cut one over because that's going to be the edge of the knife. And here you could see the general design of it. The coins were greasy and dirty. So I had to come up with a way to clean them. The one that is cleaner is a test coin. So I decided to use what I could find. And one of the things I could find was ketchup. Now, please don't do this at home. It will destroy the value of your coins. But since I had plenty of these coins, and also the other coins I use are without any value. Even the melt value is so low that I felt I could do this. After about 5-10 minutes, most of the grease of the coins is gone. And here I'm drying them. I will then sandpaper them to make the edges a bit rough, and then clean them once again with some alcohol to make sure that the fat from my fingers would be removed. Now I had this rod, 3mm, and I thought that would be quite nice for the handle. And then on the handle I could put some coins which have a hole in it with 3mm, so that would fit pretty perfect. If I was allowed to buy things, I would have bought a steel rod, because this is messing, and messing doesn't really work that well. But I'll come back to that. So after a long time cleaning all the coins, I used Loctite. Now, I cannot recommend using Loctite. The commercials say that it's super good and you can glue whatever together. However, yes, I could glue them together to get the general shape, but then when I tried to sharpen the knife, something interesting happened. I will show you what happened when I tried to sharpen the knife. Oh, stop. When I started to sand the coins, they started flying around the room. I use a belt sander. Now here are the Danish coins that I'm going to use. And here is the final result. Now, is it sharp? Not really, because whenever I tried to sharpen it, it would just disintegrate, and I had to put epoxy resin over it. The handle is far too heavy, so it's not a very practical knife, but I managed to make it. I'm not proud of it, but it is a square coin knife.